got Alvin, we got Amberlynn, we got Aaron and Ashton. It's the AJ show. It's the AJ show.
Love the AJs.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's the AJs, and y'all, today we are headed to the Urban Bird Hot Chicken.
Urban Bird Hot Chicken.
What is it called?
It's called Urban Bird Hot Chicken.
Okay, we're headed to Urban Bird Hot Chicken, y'all. And they're supposed to have this fire sandwich, y'all. Fire sandwich. It's the, what is it, Nashville Hot
Chicken. Yeah.
Nashville Hot Chicken sandwich. They also have chicken and waffles and chicken tender baskets.
Frozen custard.
They have a lot of different stuff, and we're gonna go try it out. Aaron just got out of dance practice. What's up? Ew, nobody wants to see your feet. Ew. Then we got Ashton, y'all. She is knocked out. So y'all, we are pulling up right now. I'm so excited. Y'all, it's been raining for the past 2 days in Houston, and I'm not about to let this Houston weather let us miss this grand opening of this restaurant. Here it is, Urban Bird. We in that thing.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So,
Are we eating inside?
might as well anybody in there, huh? Can you see anybody in there?
We gonna assess the situation. I still haven't ate out yet, like inside of a restaurant yet, but we're gonna assess the situation and see what's good. But we gotta get everybody out.
Since February, it's been since February since we've been eating in a restaurant, so we'll see. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Y'all know what y'all getting?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the Nashville hot chicken sandwich with some waffle fries.
You know what you're getting? You want chicken and waffles? Chicken and waffles?
You'll get Ashley some.
What you want?
Tenders and fries.
You want chicken tenders and fries? Ashton woke up, she's like, where we at? I'm probably gonna get one of the sandwiches, but I'm not gonna get the hot one just cause, you know, I don't need nothing hot. I might get the mild, and he can get the Nashville. Yeah, you can get the Nashville.
And then we could try to, we could share some custard.
Was it a cookie and custard?
It was frozen custard.
I want it all.
Yeah.
But I don't need it. I don't need it. Lord knows I don't need it. But anyways, all right, let's go check it out.
Oh, hi there. Appreciate it. Can I get 2 tender sandos?
2 tender sandos. Would that order be for here to go?
We'll eat it here.
For here? Okay. Name for the order, please.
Alvin. Hey.
What level would you like down?
Also country.
Aaron already found the Wi-Fi.
Wow. I'm getting. Whoa.
Is this Snoopy?
I can't find.
Oh, I got loose.
It's not recording. We're all together, so we're safe, people out there watching us right now. Right now. Hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 2K. And we're doing a video, and we're doing a giveaway. I can't say it.
Y'all heard her.
Yeah, y'all heard me. I'm the boss of this town. I'm the boss. What's it?
The boss?
I'm the boss.
I'm definitely the boss, y'all. Hold on, this is messed up.
Tap, tap, tap me. Something. Wait, something. Wait, something. Fuck it, something. My mask almost up to 6.
Gross.
Hey, Ashton. Take your juice. What are you drinking? Ash, what are you drinking? Sprite. Where's my Sprite?
Alright y'all, so the customer service has been on point so far. We're taking care of our order. They were super friendly, super nice. Food, so we'll see. I think ours will be coming in a few. Waiting on the buzz.
Oh, look, the food's coming.
Oh wow.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Hi, sweetheart. You got the buzzer?
Yes, we do.
Look at that.
There you go, ladies. I don't know if that's who did what.
Looks
That's
good.
perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, give
Yes.
us some ketchup, please. Thank you.
This is great. Thank you for
Let me see. Which one is mine, babe?
I got the Nashville hot.
Which one's Nashville hot?
No, you can't hold it. I
Dark
should put it right here.
Alright, I guess this one's mine. This mine's mine. This is a chicken tender basket. This is the mild, the Nashville hot, and some sweet potato waffle fries. Actually, you eating air food.
You need a piece of waffle? Hey, some of this waffle, y'all. Waffle on point.
It is so good. This waffle is amazing.
There's this sweet potato waffle fry.
This is the best.
Perfectly fried. Nicely salted. Let me try this sandwich. Nashville hot.
Oh, God, it's a big body.
How it tastes?
Amazing, he said.
It's fire.
It's fire.
Mine is way fire.
Perfect heat. Perfect heat, perfect crunch. Pickles and the coleslaw taste good. It's fire. That is fire. It's so big, can't even keep it together. That is fire.
It's your for no one.
That is definitely fire. Wanna try yours now?
Can I try mine?
Fire.
How your waffles? Is that good though? Is it really that good? Let me try a waffle.
Oh,
Let me try.
need syrup.
Oh, the waffles is good. It's better than daddy waffles, huh?
Yeah, hey.
No, but that doesn't look good, but I'll do
Come on. It's restaurant, of course. Come on. What you got again?
I got the mild.
Yum, yum. That's really good.
Oh.
You like that?
Nothing. I didn't think I was gonna like the coleslaw on there, but don't take it off.
Yeah, the coleslaw is a good touch. It tastes good. We don't even like coleslaw.
I know. The coleslaw offsets the heat and makes it taste even much better, y'all.
Yeah, y'all definitely need to come try this place out right here in Katy.
Right here.
Urban Bird Hot Chicken. Come check
It
them out.
is the best.
How's it taste?
Oh, this is
Let
fire.
me try my chicken.
This is fire.
Let
I'm almost done with it.
me try my chicken.
That's that Nashville.
Nashville hot, got a nice little, nice kick to it. Pickle and coleslaw. Oh, yeah, it's fire.
I'm gonna try my chicken. It is really good.
But she really loved the waffles.
Stop.
She says the waffles taste better than her dad waffles, y'all. So,
But I still like these waffles.
are they better than my waffles?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Mine better than yours, though.
Back up. Let me turn this camera off. Murdered it. What about you over there? You still working?
One more.
One more? Ashley, you eat your food? It's good? I like the sauce.
This is bread.
The sauce is good.
Ashton got
That
bread.
bird sauce.
Bird sauce is good.
Ashton got bread.
She got what? Oh, she does have bread.
You got a piece of toast.
Yeah, she has a piece of toast inside of her chicken basket.
That's what you can put your butter on, Ashton. It's got our dessert.
Look at that ice cream, man.
I had cherry. I know you like cherry. Okay. This is cool. The first thing I took white one.
Y'all look at this.
Humongous.
What is it again?
A turtle ice cream cone.
Wow. And I got the turtle shake.
Let me try some. Actually, can I try some?
Y'all can eat all my stuff?
Oh my god.
You gotta sit in your seat. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Man.
Alright, after we're sitting in the chair, so I can eat my ice cream.
This is good.
This is good.
Actually, can you sit over here so I can eat my ice cream? Go ahead. Okay, get here. This is humongous. How am I gonna eat this?
Kids about to be lit, y'all. About to be lit.
It's so good, y'all. And look how big it is. It's humongous.
Huge.
What's your happy day?
That turtle custard.
That's your happy day.
Now we doing happy dance?
Like, ew.
Your happy dance.
So I'm stuffed right now. I just ate so much ice cream and waffles and chicken.
Y'all, so how would you grade the food on a scale from 1 to 10?
Man, I'm giving it a 10.
10? What about you?
I would give it a 1 million.
A 1 million?
Yes.
I think the scale was 1 to 10.
But I don't care. I like it.
Okay. Ashton, 1 to 10.
I get 1 when you can. I want 10.
What?
She said 1 million.
She said 1 million and 10.
Wow.
I would give it a 10. I loved everything about it.
I did too, man. It was really, really good. I'm super full right now.
We're full. We had ice cream. I had the mild sandwich. He had the
Nashville hot.
Nashville hot. She had chicken
Waffles
and waffles.
with
And Ashley just had the chicken tender basket, but she was
French
eating
fries.
off everybody's food.
She ate everybody food.
She ate
so
everybody food.
we got
y'all.
some tenders left. I think theirs was flavored country, and they were really good. Came with a nice sauce.
And y'all, don't be scared of the coleslaw. I'm not a coleslaw person, but I was like, I want to try the sandwich, how the sandwich was made. So I actually tried it with the coleslaw, and it was amazing. Like, it offsets the heat of the chicken, so it's like a sweet and spicy type. I don't know. It's really good, y'all.
It is good. Neither one of us like coleslaw, and it was good. Like, it was fire. I would definitely get it again. Definitely will get it again.
Yeah, so if you're ever in the Katy, Texas area, Houston area, come and check them out.
They got big TVs, so you can watch the game. While we're here, they had like the game playing. Got music playing, so it was a nice environment. The staff's super friendly.
Very, very friendly. Very, very
And
friendly.
there's a lot of space. They're social distancing, so you know, this is our first time eating out since February, but we had all the space to ourselves, and it was nice.
It was nice. So y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys be notified every single time we post a video. You got something to say?
Comment down below if you like my rain jacket.
It looks dark.
And my rain jacket. And my rain jacket.
Your rain jacket too?
But yeah, we about to head back to the house, take baths, get ready for school in the morning and work and all that home stuff. Cause we full.
We full.
We out of there.
We done.
But the food was fire, so y'all hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you guys will be notified every single time we post a video. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Mommy, coffee.